Hey guys, welcome back to Free Car Repair. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you guys having a Honda CR-V. We're talking about that generation here from year 2012 to year 2016. If you guys have one of those, you need to find where the ABS fuses are located, guys. ABS light fuses, stay with us, we'll explain which fuses you need to check. It could be up to 4 fuses in 2 different fuse boxes, where they're located, where you can buy cheap fuses and realize that way don't waste your money, and why it's important to test fuses and realize all that, guys, will be covered absolutely free for your convenience. Make sure it's then till the end. So before we guys start, let me tell you a little bit about us. If you have that generation Honda CR-V from year 2012 to year 2016, we will make a video for every single fuse, every single relay. Why we do that? To save you time and money. Let's say you need a fuel pump relay, fuse, heated seats, anything like that, guys, ignition coils, mass airflow sensor. All you have to do, just search for it, find it, look for a second, see where it's located, fix your problem. Because in the manual, often even the fuses are abbreviated and they're very vague and you may not know what it means, guys. But something else, guys, here at the garage we're constantly working on things, constantly fixing things. Those are our main YouTube channels. We have over 1.2 million subscribers, guys. We have videos that helped more than 350 million people, guys. So subscribe, check it out. We have videos that can save you thousands of dollars in repairs. Now another thing, guys, let us show you something. That Honda has some special fuses, guys. But even if you need to buy any fuses, relays at a good price, quick shipping, guys, okay, anything, you can see you have different kinds of relays, special fuses here. Okay, those are multi-block fuses. Like this one is 11 fuses integrated in ones. That's what they look like. Let us show you quick. That's the side view, 11 individual fuses in one. This is the top view, guys, of the fuses. You can see right here. We'll put the link in the description of the video below where you can get fuses, relays at a really good price, quick shipping as well. So let's start on it now. So here we'll demonstrate on the 2015 Honda CR-V right here. As we said, guys, you have 2 different fuse boxes. First we'll start with the one that's not so convenient. It's on the inside of the Honda CR-V under the dash. If you look upside down above the pedals, guys, all the way in the corner on the left side, all the way up there, you will see a fuse box layout that will look just like this one right here. But before we guys continue, let's explain why it's super important to test fuses and relays now. So let me explain why it's super important, guys, to test fuses. Fuses, not often you can see if they're burnt or they're good. Sometimes they may seem perfectly fine, you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in and you end up spending money and time on parts and problems that do not exist, guys, when all you had to do, test your fuse, find out it's bad, replace it, fix your problem. So we will have a video how to test a fuse, okay, different kinds of fuses, and how to test relays, guys. We're going to put the link in the description of the video below specifically to that video. Please check it out. Here in this fuse box we'll need to check just 1 fuse, then we'll need to go to a different fuse box and we'll need to check 3 fuses. If we zoom in a little bit, you'll be able to see the numbers next to the fuses, and the fuse that we need to check is fuse number 24. We're talking about that fuse right here, 7.5 amp fuse, fuse number 24. Under the hood, guys, this is the engine bay. Okay, my bad, let me go back. Okay, right here you can see this is the fuse box right here, the engine management fuse box. Open that cover, you will see that fuse box layout right here. Here we need to check 3 fuses, and we're going to start by saying that depending on the model and configuration you may not have one of them, and that's fuse number 9 right here. You may have that fuse. Then you have that multi-block fuse that consists of 6 individual fuses. Let us show you what it looks like. That's the top view of 6 individual fuses. That's the side view right here. And if one of them burns, you have to replace the whole fuse box. That's the bad news. Good news, we will put the link in the description of the video below where you can get them at a good price, quick shipping. That way you don't waste your money. And in that fuse, if you need to come, okay, right here, and you need to start counting 1, 2, 3, that 3rd fuse and that 4th fuse. These 2 fuses are for the ABS as well, guys. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. See you next time.